Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha. This is the members only video update for the 3rd here. So we did close out the TLT trade earlier this week and then tried to again re-enter UNG or the natural gas trade, but it's already started to move on us, so we're just a day too late on getting that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to readjust that trade probably tomorrow morning and send out an alert on that or post the comments for adjusting the strikes on that as well. So please be on the lookout for that. It was actually a pretty good day, finally, to see some volatility here in the market. It's been a while since we've actually seen the VIX back above 14. It seems like the whole market has just been trading sideways to slightly higher. So actually the volatility is much needed, kind of clears things out, and also presents some opportunity to start making some new trades here, get off the sidelines a little bit. So again, I'm right here in the Option Alpha platform. I'm going to start using these charts more often on the videos because I use them all the time myself. But again, here's the VIX that we're just taking a look at. TLT, just to go back for a second, that was a great trade and just happened to work out pretty well. We've done it twice now on TLT, but selling the put spread below the market and then waiting for TLT to rise with bond prices. So that was actually a pretty natural movement that it had. But as you can see, it's pretty overextended. It actually might even be a good candidate at this point for a credit spread above the market, so a call spread. But with volatility dropping back down, now that it's rallied, volatility is getting very contracted, so you're going to have to sell a call spread much closer. So we'll take a look at that. If it continues to rally at the same clip that it's moving right now, we know that's not sustainable, but bond prices are going to be absolutely supported by the Fed going forward. UNG, this is the one that we've been trying to enter for the last 2 days. We actually had a pretty good peak in UNG, and you can see the rally that it's had really from mid-February all the way through April has been pretty huge. So I do think we're going to see a little bit of support. We've got a nice level of support right above 21 that's kind of sitting on right now. So if UNG can rally just a little bit, we might be able to fill this spread a little bit closer. Right now, though, it seems like it's going to be a little bit further away, so we might have to adjust our strikes accordingly. Moving on to the IWM trade, which is what I want to talk to you guys about tonight. This is one that I'm going to be sending out an alert on, or already sent out the alert on, since you're watching this video, on closing out this trade early. The whole idea on this is that we've had a great move down. It's been moving basically sideways for the entire month that we've traded this thing. So it hasn't really helped or hurt us. It's moving kind of right around our strike prices. But now that it's moved really solidly under 92, I do feel that closing out this trade is going to be the best option for us right now. There's still about 15, 16 days to go in the expiration cycle. So we don't want to obviously test ourselves. We have a good profit now. Let's take the profit. That's what we're going to try to start doing with some of these trades here. As soon as they show profit, at least with the higher risk reward trades, is to take the profit and move the money off the table. Some of the other things that have been pretty interesting to look at are financials. XLF. Financials have started to make a move down. Things like USO obviously took it on the chin today as well. So a lot of these are starting to actually turn the corner, and I think we're going to start to get into more of a normal correction type mode here. I don't think it's going to last long, but most of the big ones are starting to turn. Gold has had a horrible couple days. Silver, same thing, horrible couple days. So there's definitely some trading opportunities in a lot of these securities. So as always, keep your powder fresh. As things start to go down, volatility goes up. That means more trading opportunities. This is when we want to start trading. So let me know if you guys have any questions. As always, hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. And as always, happy trading.